1. What is the primary gas responsible for the greenhouse effect in Earth's atmosphere? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Argon. 2. Which instrument is used to measure atmospheric pressure? A. Anemometer. B. Barometer. C. Hygrometer. D. Thermometer. 3. What type of cloud is typically associated with thunderstorms? A. Cirrus. B. Cumulonimbus. C. Stratus. D. Nimbostratus. 4. The Coriolis effect causes moving air to A. Move in a straight line toward the equator. B. Deflect to the right in the northern hemisphere. C. Slow down near the poles. D. Move vertically in the atmosphere. 5. What is the approximate average lapse rate in the troposphere? A. 6.5 degrees Celsius per kilometer. B. 3.0 degrees Celsius per kilometer. C. 9.8 degrees Celsius per kilometer. D. 1 degree Celsius per kilometer. 6. Which layer of the atmosphere contains the ozone layer? A. Troposphere. B. Stratosphere. C. Mesosphere. D. Thermosphere. 7. Dew point temperature is A. The temperature at which air becomes saturated with moisture. B. The temperature measured at noon. C. The highest temperature of the day. D. The temperature of a cloud base. 8. What scale is used to measure the intensity of tornadoes? A. Fujita scale. B. Richter scale. C. Saffir-Simpson scale. D. Beaufort scale. 9. Which type of front is characterized by warm air overtaking cold air? A. Cold front. B. Warm front. C. Stationary front. D. Occluded front. 10. The jet stream is found primarily in which atmospheric layer? A. Troposphere. B. Stratosphere. C. Mesosphere. D. Thermosphere. 11. What causes air to rise in a process called convection? A. Air being cooled from below. B. Warmer, less dense air rising above cooler, denser air. C. Wind blowing horizontally. D. Earth's rotation. 12. Relative humidity is the ratio of A. Actual vapor pressure to saturation vapor pressure. B. Air temperature to dew point. C. Temperature at ground level to temperature at altitude. D. Rainfall to evaporation. 13. Which process leads to the formation of clouds? A. Evaporation. B. Condensation. C. Sublimation. D. Precipitation. 14. What is an inversion layer in meteorology? A. A layer where temperature increases with height. B. A layer of high humidity. C. A sudden drop in pressure. D. A type of low-pressure system. 15. The primary cause of seasonal changes on Earth is A. Earth's distance from the Sun. B. Earth's tilt on its axis. C. Changes in solar output. D. Ocean currents. 16. Which of the following best describes a cyclone? A. An area of high pressure with outward spiraling winds. B. An area of low pressure with inward spiraling winds. C. A type of cloud formation. D. A sudden temperature drop. 17. What is the main source of energy for Earth's weather systems? A. The moon's gravitational pull. B. Ocean currents. C. Solar radiation. D. Earth's internal heat. 18. What does the term albedo refer to? A. The heat capacity of water. B. The reflectivity of a surface. C. The humidity level. D. The speed of wind. 19. Which instrument is used to measure wind speed? A. Barometer. B. Anemometer. C. Hygrometer. D. Thermometer. 20. Which weather phenomenon is measured using a Stevenson screen? A. Atmospheric pressure. B. Temperature and humidity. C. Wind speed. D. Solar radiation. 21. The El Niño phenomenon is primarily associated with A. Increased volcanic activity. B. Warmer than average sea surface temperatures in the Pacific. C. Cooler than average temperatures globally. D. Strong polar vortex events. 22. What does the Beaufort scale measure? A. Rainfall intensity. B. Wind speed. C. Temperature fluctuations. D. Cloud cover. 23. What is the primary factor that determines air pressure at any location? A. Temperature. B. Humidity. C. Altitude. D. Wind speed. 24. Which process removes pollutants and particles from the atmosphere by rain? A. Evaporation. B. Deposition. C. Scavenging. D. Radiation. 25. What is the key difference between weather and climate? A. Weather refers to short-term atmospheric conditions. Climate refers to long-term patterns. B. Weather only happens in winter. Climate only happens in summer. C. Climate changes daily. Weather is constant. D. Weather is about temperature. Climate is about humidity. American Meteorological Society. The American Meteorological Society or AMS certification is a professional credential that recognizes individuals who have demonstrated a high level of knowledge, experience, and ethical standards in the atmospheric, oceanic, and hydrologic sciences. The certification process involves a rigorous examination that tests candidates on foundational meteorological principles, forecasting techniques, and applied atmospheric science. It is designed for broadcast meteorologists, consulting meteorologists, and others in related fields who wish to validate their expertise. The AMS offers certifications such as the Certified Broadcast Meteorologist or CBM and Certified Consulting Meteorologist or CCM. These credentials signal professional excellence and commitment to continuing education, serving as a mark of distinction within the scientific and public communities. Here are the top 5 beneficial uses of AMS certification exam. 1. Professional recognition. AMS certification, such as the Certified Broadcast Meteorologist CBM or Certified Consulting Meteorologist CCM, validates expertise and enhances credibility in the atmospheric sciences. 2. Career advancement. Certified professionals often qualify for advanced roles in broadcasting, consulting, research, and academia. 3. Standards of excellence. The certification confirms mastery of meteorological principles, ethical standards, and communication skills critical to the profession. 4. Public trust. AMS certified individuals are recognized as reliable sources of weather and climate information by the public and employers. 5. Continuing education. Certification requires ongoing professional development, ensuring that recipients stay current with scientific advancements and best practices.